All right, today I'm going to talk about the Landlady inference practice. So we're on Canvas. We're in September 8th through September 11th, and we are going to click on this assignment right here, Landlady inference practice. So it says make a copy of the assignment. When finished, you're going to turn it in. All right, so we have our assignment here. It says making inferences, drawing conclusions, find evidence from the story which supports each of the following conclusions. The first one has been completed for you, okay? So that's really important that you recognize that it has been done for you. You don't need to worry about what you need to do with this number one. So how it works, you are going to be given a conclusion. So it says Billy was inexperienced and naive. And you are going to look back at the text, okay, which you can find on Common Lit, and then you are going to write out your answer. So it says Billy was 17 years old, and then briskness was the one common characteristic of all successful businessmen. So you're going to put that paragraph number out to the side. So this is a page number from where we pulled the original story from. So just know that you'll put the paragraph number, okay, and that's part of your grade, so make sure you do that. And then you're going to make an inference, okay? So an inference that can be made based off of this information is that Billy is clearly young and has no idea what makes a good businessman. So your conclusion and your inference should be a little bit different. I know it seems like they should be the same, but you do have to put in that background knowledge to get the inference. So make sure you're pulling in your own ideas and inference something. So it's going to be a little bit different than that conclusion. A conclusion is only pulled from the text, and inference is pulled from both. All right, so you're going to do number 2, 3, and 4 on your own. Make sure that, we started number 2 for you, so then you're just going to find that other piece of evidence. The landlady liked her home to be cozy and attractive. So the first piece of evidence is pulled, and then you're going to pull the second, and then you're going to come up with an inference. So you're going to do that for all 4 questions. When you're done, you're going to submit it.